What if I told you this bird can twist its head almost all the way around? Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without breaking a single bone. Their necks have 14 vertebrae, double what humans have, and hidden blood vessels that stretch like elastic cords. Even when their heads twist, blood keeps flowing, so their brains never starve of oxygen. They can see out in total darkness, striking silently, perfectly balanced by illusion. Creepy or genius, you decide. Subscribe, like and share for more amazing videos and facts.